Okay, so just here's a quick video, just showing you how I'm using the VybeCoding app to like make iPhone apps. So basically, I'm on my iPhone. I've got the VybeCoding app. I'm logged in, and what I've done now is I've just got it to implement offline access for me for one of my apps. So basically, for this Shake Low Cake app that I've just been kind of playing around with. Okay, so what I can do is I can basically ask it a question, make it go off and do the code. And then I can basically then run it then by just using screen share. So if I click that, this thing goes off and then it basically builds the app. So you'll see the app is building. Now it builds directly to this phone, so I don't have to go anywhere. I don't have to sit in front of the computer. I've been doing this in Tenerife. So you see the build's failed. So that's good. At least I know the build's failing. So then I can go ahead here and I can go builds failing. Please check. Yeah, or just any other kind of command that you want for Claude. And then you just give this a while. Claude's going to go off. It's going to check the build. It will find any issues for you. And yeah, we'll be able to do things like that. But while it's going off and doing all this, I'll just show you another thing you can do that's kind of handy. So let's say I kind of like the design on the Headspace app. And if we took a look at Explore and stuff like that, I can screenshot it. So I've just screenshotted the app there many times than I needed to. And then once it's built this app, I'll show you how you can then basically utilize photos that you've screen grabbed and stuff like that, and then just kind of upload them. There's also a desktop app that goes along with this, so we can send those photos. So if I wanted, I can do that now actually. So I could go to choose from library, and I can then send this to the desktop app. So that's then sent that photo to the desktop app. And then I can use it later or anything. So it's just kind of if I'm pairing. So I might want to take a picture of the screen here and send it to the desktop app, to be able to get some more information on it. So yeah, I'll just wait for this to do whatever it's doing. It seems to be looking into something. So what's it doing? iPhone simulator available. Let me use the right one. I only want it to just check it builds. Just check it builds. I don't need it to build on a simulator. I just want to check it builds. So there you go. It's found the bug, which is this radius bug. Okay. And then the other view it's saying is the same issue. So it's just going to go off, fix these issues. And yeah, like I said, I've just been doing this broad over like a 0-tier network, and just stops you from having to sit in front of your computer all the time. So build succeeded, no errors. So let's go ahead, go over here. I've been building tons of apps with this, and I'll just zoom in. And the reason you have to do this is because you can't run it to build an app directly from the terminal, but after you've run it once, we've connected via Wi-Fi, you see it'll open straight away. So this is happening from anywhere. I'm just interacting with my computer at home, and yeah, it will kind of load the app, and it does take some time sometimes to just load the app. But let's face it, you could be lying down watching Netflix or making a cup of tea while this is all happening, instead of sitting staring in front of the computer for the rest of your life. So just wait for this to load. You can see it's loading now. Okay, so it's loaded. I can check the changes I've made and they're all good. Okay, goes off, does the interactions, restaurants and stuff like that. So then let's say I go back and I can use that photo, so I can say, we'll paste this one in terminal now, and I'll say, can you make the design more like this image Headspace? Okay, and then it's basically going to read the image. It's going to look at all the design, and then it will kind of redesign the whole kind of mobile app. And then it's just going to push it. So you should understand what I'm doing here. I'm just sitting here with code, you know, vibe coding, you know, doing whatever I want with the app. Basically built this app without, you know, once like sitting in front of the computer, like, you know, just, it's great. It's a really good way to work. And yeah, so now it's done all this and it's just going to go ahead and, you know, change all the design and stuff like that. So yeah, that's just how I'm using the VybeCoding app to build apps directly from my phone.